are going for Drone Expo, which is held in India this year. I'm super excited about this. Super new technology, super new techs, new startups we are going to see, and it will motivate me for my journey. So let's hop in together and see how this Drone Expo, first time held in India, is going to.
So guys, this is the fertilizer drone, and this is a camera drone where the robot can do a lot of things. It can create heart, it can talk to you, it can roam around, it can jump, it can move backwards, it can jump, it can do a lot of maneuvers. Another one was we saw a lot of fertilizer drones. There were a lot of fertilizer drones. There were pilot training for these drones. See again a fertilizer drone by another person. Its maximum timing is 18 minutes, 15 to 18 minutes, and maximum capacity is 10 into 11 liters, which is given by the government of India. So nice drone, nice technology. This is pilot training. Kids can play around. They can see how a drone works, how the remote control works. It was a big section. Another one. This is again a fertilizer drone. Lot of fertilizer drones, as I said. There were infrared drones as well. These are pilot training. These are some machine guns. This is the another end of the exhibition, and this is another thermal geothermal drone with the geothermal photography. And this is the last section of the conference expo. This guy, let me come to a stationary one. There were some advanced drones that can do maneuvers. This one was only selling the base for fertilizer drones, so it will act as a base and it is very light, very compact. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.